I'm explaining here the scopes that we are using from Google API and why we need those scopes. Aladdin app needs to send emails on behalf of the user as a part of its core functionality, such as sending notifications, alerts, or sharing information to contacts directly from the user's email address. This ensures that emails are properly authenticated and appear as if they were sent directly by the user. By sending email on behalf of the user, the app improves user experience by removing the need for users to manually send emails. This is particularly useful for tasks like sending calendar invites, follow-ups, reminders, or responses directly integrated within the app's interfaces. The app clearly informs the user of the permissions it's requesting and ensures that the user consents to granting these permissions before any actions are performed. This enhances trust and transparency. All interactions with Google APIs are done securely via OAuth 2, and user data is handled in a way that complies with Google's security policies and privacy standards. Now I'll show the flow on how we are integrating both Gmail and Calendar from Google. So let's assume that I want to request a meeting from someone. In order to continue with this flow, I want to integrate my email. So the meeting request will be delivered to the contact from my email. It will not be delivered from the default email or the no reply email from Aladdin system. So I will go and start giving permissions to Aladdin app. So we are mainly requesting send email permission plus getting user information. So I'll give this permission and I'll continue with integration. Now, after that, the email is integrated here. I can continue my meeting request. So I can select what are the times that I want to meet with that guy. But by integrating Gmail and calendar, so now I integrate the calendar, we will be able to give the user best availabilities based on the calendar of that user. So when I come here, for example, I will go to my calendar and I will go and connect Google Calendar from here. So I will go here, connect, and I will select Google Calendar. What do we need from this API is to read events from user calendars and send events or add events to user calendar. So there will not be any chance for collision between users already, let's say, saved events and the meeting that now happening on Aladdin. So from here, we need to get access to view and edit events on user calendar, plus the 3 ones which were only for sending email. So now I will give this permission and I'll continue. When we give this permission to the user, our system will start getting the events from user calendar. So for example, if we go here, we will see that we have this data or these events coming from Google Calendar for that user, which comes from Google. Here we can see it's coming from Google. So now these times will not be available for meetings, which means that there will not be any collision with any events saved on user calendar. And when we have a meeting here on Aladdin, also this will be synced into Google Calendar. So the user will be notified and the user will know that there is no possibility for any events to be on the same time. Thank you.